There's a world of geospatial activity going on out there. How are you going to keep up with all of that data? Many organizations recognize that with a good handle on geolocated information, they can make better decisions faster. But with the increase in data collected in the field, GIS managers are under pressure to validate it, prep it, and make use of it all. You might think to yourself, there's got to be a better way. Fortunately, now there is. Hi, I'm Stephanie from Trimble, and today I want to introduce you to Trimble TerraFlex. It's a new GIS data collection platform that unifies all of your geospatial activity. So no matter who you are and where you are, capturing geospatial data in the field is easy, and you can start doing it right away. With easily customizable workflows, Trimble TerraFlex gives you the power to create reliable, geo-enabled forms that anyone can use, no matter what they are carrying. Be it a professional device made for outdoor use like the Trimble Juno, or something most everybody already uses like an Android or iPhone, TerraFlex provides the same streamlined field experience to ensure the data is correct and reliable. So no matter when, where, or how the data is captured, it can be easily and uniformly collected, automatically synced, and safely stored by way of the Trimble TerraFlex cloud, without ever having to step back into the office. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize a template in TerraFlex. To illustrate, we're helping out with a project to identify trouble spots in our city's parks. I need to quickly customize a form template to make it easy for my team to report back on what they've found on the city's pathway system. So Jason wanted me to modify the sidewalk feature form template here. He mentioned he wanted to be able to enter in damage types for each feature that he's marking with TerraFlex. So we're going to go into our form editor for sidewalks, and if we look at what attributes we have associated with this feature right now, we have our trail name, whether the feature requires repair or not, the date inspected, as well as the image. So we're going to add in a choice field just before the repair that will allow Jason to enter in the damage type that he's observing in the field. We're going to make this a required field, since if he's marking it, it's going to be because it's damaged, not because it's fine. We're going to make it a multiple choice question so he can select multiple responses. And I'm also going to allow him the option to enter in his own feature if it's not listed. As for choices, we're going to add a couple of choices that could characterize the damage. So it could be a crack in the sidewalk, could also be a chip, or perhaps the sidewalk is split, or stolen as well. So I've added those 4 choices. I'm going to select done, and then when I go back up to the top here, I'm going to hit save. The green icon here lets me know that my changes have been saved, and so I can close out of the template editor. It'll refresh, and the new updated form has been synced automatically and sent to Jason in the field.
Hi, my name's Jason. I'm here along the Cherry Creek Trail, inspecting the pathways for any damages that we may see that we can report back. We're going to be using Trimble TerraFlex software on my Apple iPhone. Oh, here's one. This one's a good one. It's over 12 inches. We better mark this. Here's another one. I'm going to use the tree form that Stephanie set up to notate this, as it's overgrown the retaining wall and it needs some trimming.
As Jason was working, all of his data was synced automatically. I pulled it down from the cloud and can see what work needs to be done. It's that easy. So if I go into our project here on the web user interface, I can find and click on the sidewalk and see the work that he's been doing in the Cherry Creek area. For more context, I can toggle into our satellite view to give me some more information about the surrounding features. And for each point that was collected, I can select it and see the time and date at which it was collected. I can also see the location, damage type, and whether or not this specific point requires repair or not. Also, if there are images associated with this, I would be able to view those images here as well. Trimble TerraFlex solves some key user challenges. We address the problem of too much geospatial data coming from the field because now it can all be synced via the cloud and validated together. Data integrity is secured because everyone can utilize the same simple form templates. And it's fast because what's the point of collecting geospatial data if it just sits in an email or in a cardboard box? Trimble TerraFlex. It's the GIS data collection platform that unifies all of your geospatial activity.